Namaste everyone. Welcome to IQM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 11 from sloka number 11. Divya Malyambaradharam Divya Gandhanulepanam Sarvashcharyamayan Devam Anantau Vishvato Mukham. Lord Krishna is showing his manifestation to Arjuna. Now Arjuna saw all decked with garlands and garments, decorated with divine scents, abounding in many wonders. The form was resplendent, glorious, and limitless. दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि वा सदृशी सा स्याद् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः. Now, if 1,000 suns were to rise in the sky all at once, the brilliance might resemble that of the universal being. तत्रैकस्थं जगत्कृत्स्नं प्रविभक्तमनेकधा अपश्यद्देवदेवस्य शरीरे पाण्डवस्तदा. Then and there the son of Pandu saw the entire universe in one place within the body of the Supreme Being. ततः स विस्मयाविष्टः हृष्टरोमा धनञ्जयः प्रणम्य शिरसा देवं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत. Then, filled with the wonderment, his hair standing on end, Arjuna bowed his head to the Lord with his palms folded. Arjuna uvacha पश्यामि देवांस्तव देवदेहे सर्वांस्तथा भूतविशेषसङ्घान् ब्रह्मानमीशं कमलासनस्थं ऋषींश्च सर्वानुरगांश्च दिव्यान्. Arjuna said, O God, I see in your body the gods and all varieties of beings assembled. Brahma on a lotus seat and all the sages and divine serpents. Anekabahudharavaktra pashyami tvam sarvatonantarupam nantanna madhyanna punastavadim pashyami vishveshwara vishwarupam. I see your limitless form with innumerable arms, bellies, mouths, and eyes in every direction. O Lord of the universe, I see no end and no middle and no beginning in this form. Kiritinangadinancha krihanancha tejo rashim sarvato deeptimantam pashyami tvan durnirekshyam samantad deeptanalarkad yudimaprameyam. Though you are impossible to view because of your brilliance, I see your radiance glowing all around, crowned, armed with a club and a mace, with the effulgence of a blazing fire and the sun. Tvamaksharam paramau veditavyam, tvamasya vishwasya parannidhanam. Tvamauvyayah shashvata dharma gopta sanatanastvam purusho mato me. You are constant, the supreme object of knowledge, the ultimate dwelling place of all, the indestructible defender of dharma, known to me as the eternal person. अनादिमध्यान्तमनन्तवीर्यम् अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रं पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रं Jasa Vishwamidhan Tapantam. I see you without beginning, middle, or end, with ultimate and unlimited power, with innumerable arms, with the sun and moon as your eyes, with a mouth like blazing fire, burning the universe with your radiance. द्यावा पृथिव्यो हृदमन्तरं हि व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमुग्रन्थवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन्. You pervade all space between heaven and earth in every direction. O noble one, the three worlds tremble when they see your awesome and formidable form.